the administration, control and maintenance of the database will be with the company itself. So with this approach, the company purchases licenses upfront instead of buying yearly subscriptions from a cloud CRM. They look for everything from specific mentions of the brand to the frequency of the keywords, and they will also try to see that how many times they are making use of these platforms. What are the internal factors which affect the CRM? Now in this, the first one is the management commitment. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session 2 of volume 1, we will be just discussing about the types of CRM technology. Now let us discuss these types of CRM technology. The 4 main vendors of the CRM systems are Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce and SAP. So these 4 tend to be the best systems for large companies. Other providers are popular among small to mid-sized businesses. The types of CRM technology offered are as follows. Now we have a look at the different types of CRM technology, and the 4 main persons or the 4 main sellers of the CRM technology are Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce and the SAP. Now let us see what are the types of technology we have. Now in this first one is the cloud-based CRM. Now what do we mean by cloud-based CRM? CRM that uses cloud computing is also known as a software as a service or on-demand CRM. The data is stored on an external remote network that employees can access anytime and anywhere, and there is an internet connection. So this takes the help of cloud computing to store the data relating to the customers. Sometimes a third-party service provider oversees the system installation and the maintenance. The cloud's quick and easy deployment capabilities appeal to the companies with limited technological expertise or resources. So the companies with limited technological expertise and resources, they usually make use of this cloud-based CRM. Now, the data security is a primary concern for companies using cloud-based CRM systems, as the company doesn't physically control the storage and maintenance of its data. Now, this kind of a cloud-based CRM system, it is not under the control of the company, and if the cloud provider goes out of business or is acquired by another company, an enterprise's data could be compromised or lost. Compatibility issues can also arise when data is initially migrated from a company's internal system to the cloud. So it is not very safe, or there may be data security breaches in case the company is using the cloud-based system, because when the company is acquired by some other company, then whatever data is being collected in the cloud, it may be lost to the other company. So it is always good not to have this cloud-based CRM. Then companies might consider cloud CRM as a cost-effective option. So this is the most cheapest form of option to have this CRM. So vendors typically charge the user on a subscription basis and offer the option of monthly or the yearly payments. So this kind of a cloud-based CRM technology is offered on a monthly or on a yearly basis. However, cost might still be a concern, because paying subscription fees for software can be more costly over time than investing in an on-premises model. So they are of the opinion that such a kind of a software, it may prove to be expensive to the company compared to having the software installation in the company. Popular cloud-based CRM providers include the HubSpot, Salesforce, Zendesk and the Zoho. Next, on-premises CRM. So, on-premises CRM puts the onus of administration, control, security and maintenance of the database and the information on the company using the CRM software. So, on-premises CRM is where the administration, control and maintenance of the database will be with the company itself. So with this approach, the company purchases licenses upfront instead of buying yearly subscriptions from a cloud CRM. So they just purchase the license and they just hold the data. So the software resides on the company's servers and the user assumes the cost of any upgrades. So if there are any upgrades to the existing data, only that cost has to be borne by the company. It usually requires a prolonged installation process to fully integrate a company's data. Now, installation of this kind of on-premises software, it is a ongoing data, it's a prolonged data, and companies with complex CRM needs might benefit from an on-premises deployment. Many cloud-based providers such as APTITUDE and Salesforce offer on-premises versions of their CRM software. So this is on-premises CRM software which will be in the company, which will be administered by the company, controlled by the company, and it will be held by the company itself. Then next, we have the open source CRM. So it makes source code available to the public, enable companies to make alterations at no cost to the company using the system. Open source CRM system enables the addition and customization of data links on social media channels, assisting companies looking to improve social CRM practices. So an open source CRM system makes a source code available to the public, enabling companies to make alterations at no cost. So alterations can be made to the software at no cost itself, and it will enable the addition and customization of the data links to the social media channels. Platforms such as Bitrix24, Oro CRM, Sugar CRM, and Suite CRM offer alternatives to the proprietary platforms from Salesforce, Microsoft, and other vendors. So adoption of any of these CRM deployment methods depends on a company's business needs, resources, and goals, as each has different costs associated with it. So there are various options before the company. So they can go in for a cloud CRM or on-premises CRM or a open source CRM. So depending on the company's resources and the needs of the company, they can opt for any of these different technologies. Then CRM examples in practice. Examples of CRM use vary by the type and purpose of the specific CRM system. Common one include the following. So for the first example for the CRM system is the contact center. Traditionally, data intake practices for CRM systems have been the responsibility of the sales people and marketing departments as well as contact center agents. So data intake, so whatever the data is there relating to the customers, it will be the responsibility of the sales people and the marketing department as well as the contact center agents. Sales and marketing teams procure leads and update the system with information throughout the customer life cycle. So contact centers gather data and revise customer history records through service calls and technical support interaction. So it is the work of the marketing team, the sales team, and the contact center agents to just gather data and revise the customer history records through service calls and technical support interactions. Then the next type is the social CRM. Social media in CRM involves businesses engaging with customers directly through social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Social media presents an open forum for customers to share experience with the brand, whether they are airing grievances or promoting the product. Now, in the social CRM, so most of the companies, they will be the businesses will be involving in some of the social media platforms such as the Facebook, the Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So they make use of this social media to just air the grievances, or they may also use it for promotion of the product. To add value to customer engagement on social media, businesses use various social CRM tools that monitor social media conversations. These tools look for everything from specific mentions of a brand to the frequency of keywords used to determine a company's target audiences and which platforms they use. So, these businesses use various social CRM tools that monitor social media conversations. So, they look for everything from specific mentions of the brand to the frequency of the keywords, and they will also try to see that how many times they are making use of these platforms. Other tools are designed to analyze the social media feedback and address customer queries and issues. So, there are various other tools also the companies are using to make use of the customers' queries, to answer the customers' queries and the issues. Then, companies are interested in capturing the customer sentiment, such as the likelihood they recommend products and overall customer satisfaction, to develop marketing and service strategies. So, this kind of a social media is used by the companies to just see that they promote the businesses, they promote the sales of the products. Companies try to integrate social CRM data with other customer data obtained from sales and marketing departments to get a single view of the customer. Another way in which social CRM adds value for the companies and customers is through customer communities, where customers post reviews of products and engage with other customers to troubleshoot issues and research products in real time. So, they also have a track of the interaction between the customers. So, customers post reviews of products, and they try to engage with customers to troubleshoot issues and research products in real time. Customer communities provide low-level customer service for certain kinds of problems and reduce the number of contact center calls. So, these communities also provide new product ideas and feedback that companies can use in lieu of the focus groups. Then, next, we have the mobile CRM. So, the CRM applications built for smartphones and tablets have become a must-have for the sales representatives and marketing professionals who want to access customer information and perform tasks when they aren't physically in their office. Now, this mobile CRM is a CRM application which is built for smartphones and tablets. So, it is a must for the sales professionals and the marketing professionals who want to have access to the customer information when they are not in the office. So, mobile CRM take advantage of features that are unique to mobile devices, such as the GPS and the voice recognition capabilities, to give sales and marketing employees access to customer information from anywhere. So, with the help of these apps, almost all the sales force and the marketing team, they can get access to the various customer information. Then, business to business practices. A CRM system in a business to business environment helps monitor sales as they move through the sales funnel, enabling a business to address any issues that might come up during the process. So, a CRM system in a business to business environment helps monitor sales as they move through the sales funnel. So, CRM strategies in the B2B market give sales reps more visibility into leads, increasing efficiency throughout the sales process. They have moved far beyond the traditional customer profiling functions. So, this B2B business is prospering because of the customer data. So, you can have more visibility into the leads, you can have more efficiency throughout the sales process. Then, what are the CRM challenges? For all the advancements in the CRM technology, without the proper management, a CRM system can become little more than a glorified database in which customer information is stored. Data sets must be connected, distributed, and organized so that users can easily access the information they need. Then, other CRM challenges are the company might struggle to achieve a single single view of the customer if their data sets aren't connected and organized in a single dashboard or a interface. So these problems can lead to a decline in the customer experience because of issues such as long wait times during phone calls and improper handling of technical support cases. So there may be problems. The problems can lead to a decline in the customer experience because of long wait time during phone calls. So when the customer is calling, there is nobody to receive the calls. So that may prove to be a negative point for the businessman, and improper handling of the technical support cases. So if there is any complaint relating any product and there is no technical support to repair the product, then that may go against the interest of the company. Then the next CRM challenge is CRMs work best when companies clean their existing customer data to eliminate duplicate and incomplete records before they supplement CRM data with external sources of information. So the CRM systems, they should work best when the companies clean the existing data and then they update the new data. Then, will CRM be affected by AI, that is artificial intelligence? CRM systems benefit from nascent trends and technologies in the AI space. Sales forecasting is one area that will benefit. Now the CRM will benefit and the sales forecasting area will benefit because of the AI. Predictive AI algorithms in a CRM system can analyze historical data about customers and companies to predict sales outcomes and future market trends to shape an organization's decision making. So if with the help of the AI algorithms, the companies can have a more effective sales forecast. So it also provides automation for routine and repetitive tasks such as data entry and follow-up emails to customers or potential customers. Advanced chatbots and sentiment analysis capabilities help synthesize information from interactions to better identify customer needs and inform future interactions. So they provide automation for routine and repeated tasks such as the data entry. So whenever the customer logs into a website, so his data will be automatically recorded, and also repetitive tasks like sending emails, etc., it will be done by the artificial intelligence. So in addition to this, we also have the advanced chatbots and the sentimental analysis capabilities. They help synthesize information from interactions to better identify customer needs and inform future interactions. So the next one is the HubSpot and the Salesforce are examples of enterprise-grade CRM providers that are integrating up-to-date AI capabilities into their platforms. Now there are two technologies here, that is the HubSpot and the Salesforce. They are making use of the AI in their CRM platform. So it remains to be seen how quickly smaller organizations and startups with CRM offerings and significantly less resources will be able to integrate similar AI features. Still, AI enhancements will become more commonplace in the future. So, the CRM technology will be making use of more of AI technology in the future. Next, what are the internal factors affecting the implementation of the CRM? Although CRM is a beneficial solution for the organization, some internal factors might affect its implementation and restructure the usual workflow. Now, what are the internal factors which affect the CRM? Now, in this, the first one is the management commitment. So, what is this management commitment? The top management is required to effectively communicate that CRM is not a threatening source for employees and that it will merely optimize the work process. So, CRM should not be taken as a threatening force for the employees. They should accept it as an integrating force that will optimize the work processes. Such support will make the internal environment acknowledge CRM as an important element of business strategy by involving in activities that demonstrate the commitment to CRM implementation. So the top management, they should demonstrate the commitment to CRM implementation. Now, the second factor is the organizational culture. The staff is required to be familiar with and comprehend the CRM and organizational strategies behind it. The new system is tightly connected to cooperative work culture and will require employees to change attitude towards integrative cooperation, communication, and participation of personnel at all levels to deliver a unified view of the company and its product to the customers. The second one is the organizational culture. So the staff should be familiar with and comprehend the CRM and organizational strategies behind it. So the system is tightly connected to the cooperative work culture and will require employees to change attitude towards integrative cooperation, communication, and participation of personnel at all levels. Then the third one is financing resources. The implementation and continuous monitoring and upgrade of the CRM system would always require solid financial support from the company. It requires analyzing the economic situation and deciding whether the organization will be able to finance the system in the long run. So they have to look into the economic situation of the company and then decide whether the organization will be able to finance the CRM system in the long run. Then the fourth factor is the system development. CRM system is not the same in every organization as companies require different features, different levels of automation, and different uses. So the CRM technology, it is not the same for all the companies. So different users have different needs. So it is a tool to achieve an organization's strategy. So management must think through every detail of the system and avoid including all available functions. Otherwise, CRM will become dispersed, complex, and add cost due to unnecessary functions. So whenever CRM is a tool to achieve an organization strategy, so the management must think through every detail of the system, otherwise it will become complex and costly. And then the next one is the external factors affecting the implementation of CRM. So some of the external factors are data privacy regulation. Now, what is this data privacy regulation? It requires firms to protect the personal information of consumers. However, sometimes companies are not allowed to even keep that data. For example, marketers that collect EU customer data are not able to collect and use cookie data, impression data, or personal data without express consent under GDPR. Customers are required to affirmatively consent to the collection of their data and each intended use. So the data privacy regulations, they are very strict. So you cannot make use of the data, whatever you have collected through the cookies. So without the customer's consent, we cannot make use of the data. Then the second external factor is the security breach from the hackers. So this factor is directly affecting the customer's trust and might prevent gathering data from the target market in the future. Also, the data leakage can harm not only the reputation of the company externally, but also doom its internal operations. So this factor directly affects the customer's trust and might prevent gathering data from the target market in the future. So it is essential for the company to see that proper security measures are taken to just preserve the data collected. Technological changes every year. New technologies emerge that can complement CRM software that will also require organizations' operating structure to change again. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.